Hi kids, you're going to go to the Cells Alive site today and you're going to click on Start the Animation. And when you go there, it's going to be a eukaryotic organelle cell model. And you're going to want to choose between animal and plant. Today you're going to do animal, and then later in the week you're going to do plant. So click on animal cell. And then the cool thing about this is you can go over these words and it's going to tell you which each part is. Nucleus. And then what's even cooler is if you click on it, it tells you all about it. It says the nucleus is the most obvious organelle in any eukaryotic cell. It is enclosed in a double membrane and communicates with the surrounding cytosol via numerous nuclear pores. So basically, the nucleus, I like to call the nucleus the brain of the cell. It controls everything. It's just like us. If you don't have the brain, your body doesn't work. If there's no nucleus, the cell won't work. So once you've found out what the nucleus does, you go back to the cell diagram and you can learn about the nucleolus, the cytosol, all of these pieces. And then what you're going to do is you're going to actually draw this on your paper and label every single one of these things. Now you're going to notice that a animal cell doesn't have a cell wall, chloroplast, things like that, because those are only for plant cells, and we're going to learn about that this year, or this week actually. So today you're going to do the animal cell. Later in the week you're going to come back to the same link and you're going to do plant cell and look at the plant cell. Do you notice that the plant cell is like a rectangle maybe, and that it has a cell wall and chloroplasts, and maybe you can figure out what those do on your own when we do those later in the week. But you are going to make a drawing. I'm going to show you exactly how that's supposed to look and how it's supposed to be labeled. There'll be a picture attached.